Welcome to all. This is D. Mageshwari, Assistant Professor of English, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Vattanchitram, Dindigul District, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to discuss about the topic, The Pilgrim's Progress. The Pilgrim's Progress is a allegory. It is written by John Bunyan. Before we have to see the author introduction. The Pilgrim's Progress, it is written by John Bunyan. Now I have to share the slide. John Bunyan, he is the author of The Pilgrim's Progress. His birthday was November 28, 1628. His nationality is British. He was born in Elster, Bedfordshire, England. He is famous as writer as well as preacher. Preacher, it is referred to teach moral lesson and morality. Here, John Bunyan teach what is good or bad. He is not well-educated, but learns to read and write. John Bunyan was an English writer and Puritan. He is best remembered as the Arthur Christian allegory, The Pilgrim's Progress. His autobiographical work is Grace Abounding. It is written in 1660. His four great notable works are Grace Abounding, The Pilgrim's Progress, The Life and Death of Mr. Badman, The Holy War. And one more thing, John Bunyan is referred as the child of Puritanism. In this Pilgrim's Progress, it is the masterpiece of John Bunyan. In this Pilgrim's Progress, John Bunyan used in good narrative technical styles as well as good characterization and the great dramatic power. And it is called as the Christian allegory. Next, the character. Christian is the protagonist and the central character of the prose. First, he accompanied with faithful and then he led by hopeful. Christian flees and sets out alone on a pilgrimage. Evangelist is the preacher of Christianity. He makes his way from the city of destruction to the city of Zion. The Pilgrim's Progress is a religious allegory by the English writer John Bunyan. First, it is published in first part published in 1678 and second part 1684. The work is a symbolic vision of the good man's pilgrim through life at one time, second only to the Bible in popularity. The Pilgrim's Progress is the most famous Christian allegory still in print. It was first published in the reign of Charles II and was largely written while its Puritan author was imprisoned for offenses against the Conventicle Act of 1593, which prohibited the conducting of religious services outside the bailiwick of the Church of England. First part, it is divided into two parts. First part is published in 1678. It is presented as the author's dream of the trials and adventures of Christian. Christian seeks to rid himself of a terrible burden, the weight of his sins, that he flees after reading a book. Here the book referred as the Holy Book. See the second image. Evangelist is the preacher. Evangelist is the representative of God. Here, the evangelist points him toward a wicked gate and he heads off, leaving his family behind. He falls into the slough of despair, dragged down by his burden, but is served by a man named Help. And see the next picture. Christian next meets Mr. Worldly Wise Man, who pursued him to disregard evangelist's advice and instead go to the village of morality and seek out Mr. Legality. However, Christian's burden becomes heavier and he stops evangelist, reappears and sets him back on the path to the wicket gate. The gatekeeper, Goodwill, tells him through and directs him to the house of interpreter, where he receives instructions on Christian grace. As Christian continues his journey. See the slide. As Christian continues his journey, he comes upon a cross. At that point, his burden falls from his shoulders. 3 shining ones appear and give him a sealed scroll that he must. As Christian journey proves that the way to heaven is not easy. Here, the Christian reaches the celestial gate and at last he reaches the heaven or celestial city. The celestial city cost is great and the true Christian must be willing to pay the cost no matter what. Man is full of sin, but this does not keep him from attaining a glory. Here I list out the characters. See the characters. The Pilgrim's Progress characters: Christian, Evangelist, Pilate, Abstinent, Mr. Worldly Wise Man, Goodwill, Interpreter, Holy Cross, Sloth, Simple, Presumption, Formalism, Hypocrisy, The Valley of Humiliation, Portrait, Apollyon, Faithful, Town of Vanity Fair, Hopeful, Jane Despair, Doubting Castle, Knowledge, Watchful, Sincere, Ignorance, Delectful Mountain, Slow of Despair. So these are the characters. Here, through the Pilgrim's Progress, as Christian faced many problems and obstacles, but at last he reached the celestial city. In day-to-day life, we are having many obstacles and struggles, but we try to overcome and reach our goal. When problem comes, don't say, why me? Just say, try me. Thank you once again. Thank you all. Yeah.